Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to put a player on the injured reserve or IR in ESPN Fantasy Football app using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the Fantasy app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on My Team. Now you will see your roster with all your active players. Scroll down to find the player you want to move to IR. Tap on the player's name. To be eligible for IR, the player must be marked as injured or on the physically unable to perform list. If you see the IR option, that means they are eligible. Tap on the option that says move to IR. Once you do, the player will be moved into the injured reserve spot on the team. This frees up an active roster spot for you to add another players. Go back to your roster screen and you will see the player now listed under the IR section. You can now add a replacement player if you want, and that's it. That's how you put a player on IR in ESPN Fantasy Football app using a phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.